the kitty alone. You two. Shh. You leave that poor kitty cat alone. Leave. What did she do to you? Leave her. You go lay down and leave the kitty alone. Hey, go leave the kitty cat alone. Shh. Fred! You leave that kitty cat alone. Go on. Fred, leave her alone. Fred! Enough! Leave her alone. Go on. You leave. Fred, you better leave that kitty cat alone. Go on. Both you go get in your bed. I'm sorry, kitty. You leave the cat alone. Come here, kitty. Come here, poor mama. Come here, poor baby. I'm sorry. Don't yell at me. I'm trying to help you, mama.